I take this privilege to inspire each and every one of you with some positive energy. I know all of you have come here with a positive energy. Let us be united. So says that you are the light of the world. Me and you all as the individual light of this earth planet have done enough and enough, so many remarkable and commendable jobs. For that purpose only, today you all have gathered over here for receiving Nelson Mandela Award and also the doctorate degree, the Doctor of Philosophy in different category. So, before lighting this lamp, let us be inspired by our own self that we are the heroes, we are the change makers of this earth planet, we are the peace makers and peace builders, and jointly together we will make our great country India sustainable, developed, and a strong nation in the whole world. Let us take that pledge today that we all shall be united together as the light of India on this earth planet here in Goa. Moreover, all the walls of discriminations, dharam, jati, गोरा काला, ये जाति वो जाति के बीच में हम लोगों ने मनुष्यों को बांट दिया, और मनुष्यों को बांटने के द्वारा ही इस पृथ्वी पर जितने भी लड़ाइयां होती है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स जो भी होता है, हमारे आर्मी, हमारे डिफेंस के पर्सनालिटी आज हमारे बीच में है, मैं उनका तहे दिल से नमस्कार करता हूं, नमन करता हूं। आपके तीनों कमांड से, नेवी से, एयरफोर्स से, आर्मी से। ऑलरेडी हमारे कर्नल साहब हमारे पुराने मित्र है, पिछले बार भी हमारे साथ ये थे दीप प्रज्वलित में। तो हम सब इन सारे दीवारों को तोड़ दें, धर्म, जाति, भेदभाव जो भी है, ऊपर नीचे, एजुकेशन, अनएजुकेटेड, सारे चीज को तोड़ते हुए एक यूनाइट हो जाए। जब ये दिया जलता है तो आसपास सब अंधेरा भी हो तो उजाला हो जाता है। हर एक यही मैसेज, संदेश पीस का, ग्लोबल पीस का हम लेकर यहां से जाएंगे। इस संदेश के द्वारा हम आज ये दीप प्रज्वलित करेंगे। एक सिस्टर साथ में होना जरूरी है। कोई भी एक सिस्टर जहरीन खान नहीं है? एनीवन अवार्डी सिस्टर है? आ जाइए। लता टंडन जी, एक सिस्टर हमारे साथ, क्योंकि बिना वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे। एम आई राइट? सिस्टर लता। So we take this privilege, sister, you, me, our great hero, our Leander Pace ji. Very soon we'll call him Dr. Leander Pace ji. And the army officers, please come forward. Please.
Yes, इसके साथ ही साथ on other side we are having one more lighting of lamp. ये हमारे soldiers के लिए यहाँ पे एक tribute होगा. So again I request
any new person in this earth planet, irrespective of whichever ethnic background they belongs to, whichever language they speak, whatever denomination, religion or faith they belongs to. One thing very common, we all are inhaling oxygen from the same God who has created. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. Number two, the same light which God has created the sun, we all are receiving the same light. Right or not? Yes. And the same water, God has created oxygen and hydrogen, which has been created by God. Mixing together, He made oxygen plus hydrogen, He made water. We all drink the same water. No different water for different faith people. No water, no different color of water for people holding different color flag of their political party. Same water they drink. Am I right or wrong? And then number third is we all have same anatomy of the body. That means I came from America, I cannot say I should have 42 teeth. Everyone will have 32 teeth. Am I right? Leander Paes is a great man with a muscle power. He is defeating people of the whole world. He cannot say I should have 8 fingers in my hand. I am a big tennis player. Can you claim that? No. So all five fingers, 32 teeth, same digestive system, same anatomy and same physiology system. African, whether American, white, black, blonde, everybody. Okay? So, number one step, we have to be united with our mind and with our heart. This is number one step. Shall we all be united? This is the first step. And dharam, jati, काला गोरा सबको अपने पैर के नीचे कुचल दीजिए. Right now, like this. वो सब जो है लड़ाइयां, जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, जिसके लिए एक कंट्री को आर्मी के लिए करोड़ों मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस डॉलर का वेपन खरीद के देना पड़ता है ना, उस लड़ाइयों को बंद करने के लिए. ठीक, तो वी विल टेक ए कवेनेंट टुडे कि ये वाला मैसेज ऑफ पीस हाफ मिनट में एक कबूतर की तरह उड़ के, कबूतर जो है पीस का सिंबल है. यस, एक कबूतर. नाउ यू कैन टेक फ्रेंड्स. Now we can say, everyone say, we are the peace ambassador. We are the peace ambassador. We are the peacemaker. We are the peacemaker. We are the nation builder. We are the nation builder. We will make our India a strong country in the whole world. We will make the India most in the whole world. Amen. Glory, glory.
Welcome. इसके साथ ही साथ डॉक्टर अजय शाह, इनको भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी स्टेज पे हमें ज्वाइन करना. Madhu Krishnan ji and Mantri ji, please settle down. Please settle down. Thank you so much. और इसके बाद
It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this evening among all of you, among such high dignitaries and all the people I could never ever imagine that I will be sharing the evening with. It makes me feel really small here, but really, really overwhelmed. Looking forward to this evening, and again, thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
I would like to thank every single one of you winners, because you all inspire me to be me. God bless every one of you. Jai Hind.
कबूतर उड़ाना है संग्राम जी. यस. थैंक यू सो मच. आपका स्वागत है. इसके बाद उनकी एक लाइफ जर्नी है तानाजी सर की, वो हम यहाँ पे प्ले कर रहे हैं. क्या बात है. इसे बोलते हैं एक्साइटमेंट. मुझे लग रहा है बस इन्हीं को डॉक्टरेट डिग्री लेने की एक्साइटमेंट है. एनर्जी. Congratulations. Colonel Shailendra Singh ji. Yes, congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Again, it's my humble request to all of you. Put your hands together for Mr. Madhava. Congratulations to Mr. Madhava.